Yeah, remember when you're thinking of property that will make you money, you are thinking of property that you can invest that will keep generating money for you. Think ToksRealty. Remember, engineer Olatunmo always bring you that property that will keep generating money into your bank account yearly, forever. Property that will bring you high return on investment. Here again with an update on Fairfield apartment located in Abijo, opposite the Abijo GRA on the Aja axis of Lagos. This is Abijo in Abijo Lekki local government. For those of you that are meeting this property for the first time or you are coming across for the first time, this is it. This property is in close proximity to Lekki Egbe Expressway, the Corona High School, the Novera Mall, Mayfair Garden is not far from this place. So take advantage of it as I'll be showing you more details about this project as you keep watching this video to the end. Please don't stop watching. Follow me as I'll be showing you details about this property. Here we are offering 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom and 3 bedroom apartment that you can invest in. All rooms are sizable. And for those of my clients that have already subscribed to this property and those that have gotten allocation already, please follow this video to the end so that you can see details about the update. Get the update. I'll be talking to also the facility manager, Mr. Gabriel. Today I'll be showing you, he'll be telling us more about this property. So ensure you follow this video to the end. Now don't forget, if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe right now. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. And don't forget, subscribe, because for you to be getting updates from me, you need to subscribe. If you have bought any of my property, you need to subscribe so that you can be getting updates every week on this channel. I remain your top rater, engineer Olatunmo. So whatever you do, keep watching. Thank you. This is a beautiful property you can't afford to miss. If you're looking for a property that will bring you cash flow in the future, this is a beautiful place. Fairfield apartment is an apartment you cannot miss for any reason. That's the sports arena, and here we are offering ample parking space for clients and for every resident in this estate. We have 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom and 3 bedroom apartments selling here. This is the welcome center of the estate. Okay, beautiful. You will love this place, and everything that is used here, they are solid material. When I mean solid, I mean quality materials. Okay, so here 1 bedroom is still selling for 16.5 million naira, while 2 bedroom goes for 28 million naira and 3 bedroom 34 million naira. So these are the layouts of the estate. This is how it's going to look like. I can see the floor plan for the 2 bedroom apartment. See, so sizable. Also for the 3 bedroom apartment, which is selling for 34 million naira at the moment. Please take advantage. All you need to do is just 5 million naira while you spread your balance for 6 months up to 12 months. Let me show you sample of what the 2 bedroom apartment looks like. This is what it looks like. You can see how beautiful is it. Every material used. One thing I love about this X is that they use quality materials, and everywhere is well ventilated, and all rooms are sizable. You will definitely love it. And another thing is that it's an open kitchen. Every apartment comes with an open kitchen. Just watch this video to the end so that you can see details about this project. And what you need to plug in is this estate. You're going to have an artificial lake in this estate, golf course, you have sports arena, gym center, beautiful ambience, green area, swimming pool, recreational centers, shopping mall. Man, Fairfield apartment is a no-miss, an estate you wouldn't want to miss. Okay, see the kitchen, beautiful. This is the living room. Beautiful. You definitely love it. It's not an estate you have to miss. Please don't miss it for any reason. Just deposit a minimum of 5 million naira now, and while you spread your balance for the next 6 months or 12 months thereabout. So remember, let me recap the prices again. We have 1 bedroom which selling for 16.5, 2 bedroom 28 million, 3 bedroom 34 million naira. Okay, just deposit 5 million naira and spread your balance. And shortly we are going to be speaking with the facility manager so that we can hear the details about this project. The first set of clients will move into this estate by September 2022. So watch out for that update, and I'll be showing you more and more updates about this estate. Please don't stop watching. Ensure you watch this video to the end, as I'll be showing you more about this estate. Thank you. God bless you. We are currently laying the CCTV cable. Please follow this video to the end, as I'll be interviewing our facility manager for Fairfield apartment, Mr. Gabriel. Please follow him as we'll be talking to him shortly.
8 units of apartment. Now around the clusters too, we also have the wings, wing A1 and A2, where we're also going to be having the 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom standalone block. We're expected to have like 6 units there. So at the moment now, we're doing some work, livability work, that we're trying to provide external services for this apartment, for the 98 apartments now. So at the moment, we're doing reticulation for electrical trunking, the wire, because we're going to be doing underground trunking. We've established manholes, we've done the trunking from the substation, and we're going to be linking them to all the apartments. So we're doing reticulation for also the plumbing aspect of the building. We're linking all the plumbing pipes with biodigester, which are ready to be done, and automation 100%. We're also setting up a temporary water treatment plant that is going to supply the entire first cluster. So we're doing providing external services, and our external services starts from the road. As we're coming in, we discover that we're already setting up the drainage all the way. This point is about 1.1 kilometers all the way down. We intend to establish that drainage all the way to our water collector where we have the water flow 905 meters down to the lagoon at the extreme end. So come September, we're going to ensure that this place is livable. So we're doing a livability project, ensuring that we supply the entire apartment with all these external services such as water, power, and also where the waste will also go to. So that's what we're doing at the moment.
So how much does it go for?
Okay, for now, bedroom goes for 34 million naira.
Sorry, I get the 2-bedroom.
The 2-bedroom, 28 million naira. 3-bedroom, 34 million naira. They are all sizable apartments. Our 1-bedroom commands 59 square meter for the total space. Our 2-bedroom, 83 square meter, and our 3-bedroom, 123.1 square meter. Very sizable. If you also go closer, you see the floor plan. The floor plan for already creating car park for people that might have more than 2 cars, and also for visitors that might want to sleep over, or creating car spaces. Then in terms of infrastructure, we have social area. Remember that when you're doing multi-family apartment, you have to set aside places where people can connect together. You have one behind you there, it's Sport Arena, and we're also going to be having 4 social areas in this is just one of its kind. We're also going to be doing that for children, because we also have to cater for the children. We have the educational area for the children where they can ride their bicycles around. We have a recreational park also for children. Then we have a recreational building where adults can have their gym done. We have gym, also have a central swimming pool, and also an official lake where we can always interconnect together, part of infrastructure. Then also internally too, we're also creating well linked up drainages to avert flood. Part of our flood control measures. You can see our drainages well linked up.
They're beautiful.
To ensure that there will be no flood. Then another thing that we're also done, part of flood control, our estate is 2 foot above the road. We can't have water encroaching to the estate. We took our level all the way from the Lekki estate.
I see.
So, and then electricity 24 hours. Then we also have surveillance cameras, like what we're already doing already. We're already trunking all those surveillance cameras, moving them to our facility management office. Then top-notch facility services to ensure that people enjoy their stay when they forget to.
All right, thank you very much. It's nice talking to you.
You just heard from the facility manager of this estate, as Mr. Gabriel, and he has shared with us some of the things you need to know about this estate. So this is an update for every client that has bought into Fairfield apartment and is still selling. So by September this year, this place will be habitable. So please, whatever you do, take advantage of this property. Even if you are not going to live here, you can buy it for a shortlet, you can buy it for Airbnb, you can buy it for rental investment. So it's a good property. You can see the road very solid. You see, they're so confident about of this project. See truck passing and there's no problem. You can see the tractor that just passed not quite long. See, passing confidently without any vibration at all. So here there is 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom apartment, and also 3 bedroom apartment. All you need to do is to make an initial down payment of 4 million naira, then you have secured a home. So think cash flow. If you are thinking about cash flow, think rental income as well. That is all you need when you're thinking about making money via real estate. So that is it about Fairfield apartment. Don't forget, this property is located in Abijo, opposite Abijo GRA, and in close proximity to Novera Mall, ShopRite, Corona Secondary School. It's very close to Caleb Secondary School. Is not far from here. It's not far from Fairfield Park and Mayfair Garden. Very close to this place as well. And here from the Lekki Expressway is around 3 minutes drive, and it's inside an existing estate. So take advantage of it. It's a livable environment, and if you are buying to make money, this is a good property for you to make money. There are blocks of apartment. You can buy 1 bedroom, you can buy 2 bedroom, buy 3 bedroom. Another advantage of buying this property is that you can buy, as you can pay 4 million and spread your balance for 12 months at 0 interest. So take advantage of it. Call me through the number on your screen, and thank you for watching this video to the end. Thank you.